Hey guys, my name is Brett Womack, and this is my Web 2.0 video assignment. So the first question, describe your thoughts after watching the videos regarding the lecture, and where the internet has kind of changed over the years. And for me, internet has grown dramatically over the years. Growing up, we had dial-up, and you would have to wait till somebody was off the phone. Then it would dial up, it would take a few minutes, and then it would connect you to the internet and you'd have AOL. That's no longer a thing because now you just click on the internet and it pops right up. So for me, internet has changed dramatically. Back when I was in middle school, there was no podcasting, YouTube hadn't been invented yet, and so watching videos wasn't something that you did, and like I said, internet was a lot slower back when I was growing up, and so now to see where the internet has come today in 2018, it's amazing the things that you can do on the internet. You can do a podcast, you can do blogging, you can do Facebook media stuff, Twitter, all that sort of stuff, and you can even do all of that stuff in the classroom. Growing up, I didn't have any of that stuff media-wise in the classroom. We had projectors with the big old light, and you had to put it in the middle of the room and project it up on the board. Now you can just use a regular projector, and you can connect the internet and watch videos and YouTube and all that sort of stuff. So, saying internet from when it was back in the day for me to where it is now, it's just amazing. For as a future teacher using the internet, it's great because you can make videos like the one I'm making now, and you can do interactive based teaching. If let's say you're going to be gone one day and you want to create a video for your classmates with a sub, you can do it this way. And so being able to do that as a teacher and moving forward with the internet, it's just the possibilities are endless and you can do so much. The podcast that I listened to was a TED Talk. It was this guy who was going around trying to make businesses better. And one of the things that he said in the video that I really liked was, if you take chances or risks, with those risks will come opportunity. When you push people away from what you are pushing them, when you push people away from that, you are pushing them more toward failure. Encourage people to take risks. And so going forward, as a teacher, you want to encourage your students to take risks and to be challenged. And so doing that in the classroom as a teacher, challenging my students, is something that I would do every day. Getting the best out of them, making them take risks, whether it's doing something on the internet they're not comfortable, or something that's new to them. All of that would be challenging and rewarding, and I think they would really enjoy it. Should networking like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, all that be used in the classroom? And I think to an extent it could be. If you had like a Facebook account just with your students and your parents, and you could communicate that way for parents. For me, I don't have Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, anything like that, and so it would be new for me, but it would be helpful as a teacher to be able to communicate with parents or students who might be sick that day, and getting the assignment so they're not falling behind. YouTube would be a great one. You could do videos, you could do a video assignment where they have to maybe record themselves doing a project or a presentation just like this one, and I think kids would really enjoy making a podcast or video for an assignment rather than just doing a worksheet all the time and going from there. Which cloud-based bookmarking program did I use? I found Google Docs. It's one that I've used in the past, and I really like it, where you can just store information there. I have my notes, my information, and so it's something that I use now, and I think that I could continue to use it in the future, even when I'm a teacher. So this is my recording. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a great day.